Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a Preppy filter on CapCut PC. So you are going to select filters here, and you are going to select style. Then you are going to find sepia. You're going to add it to the video, and you're going to set it to 100. And then you are going to go to adjustments here and add in an adjustment clip, and you're just going to select the temp and have it to 50, and also you are going to choose highlight and put it up to 50. Go back to filters and you are going to search for the winter filter, which is somewhere over here. Let me just find it first. Winter. Here it is. It's called Winter's Day, I guess. Just add it to your video and have the strength up to around like 45-ish. And here you have your Preppy filter. You can add in a background just to make it even cuter. So select all of them. Make sure they're the same duration as the video too. Select all and then press Control A, right click, create compound clip. Is going to put it here and scale it. Go to, can I not do it here? Oh, I guess I can do it here. Let me just scale it down. I guess we don't have to create compound clip, and then here you can add in a background if you want to the video. I like to add in like either this one or this one maybe to the background, but it is totally up to you if you want to add it or not. Where's the paper one? There's also another paper one, but I'm just going to leave it like this. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!